If your goal is to start working out and living healthier, but you're just in too much pain to do so, then your body might need some repairing. This is Dr. Haggard of Stem Spa. He is here to help you out. This is a fascinating topic. Stem cells, a lot of people are hearing that term. They're talking about it. What do you do to help people?
Well, it's a fantastic time to be in medicine, Susan. We are able to help people heal faster, more completely, using nutrition, vitamins, minerals, and also stem cells.
Right, and you were telling me that you do something called stem cell IV therapy. What is that?
Yes, most people are familiar with with IV therapy in a hospital setting,
Sure.
and they use things like saline and try to rehydrate people when they have dehydration and other things. But we are able to add stem cells along with other vitamins and minerals that help them actually act better and self-renew and also help heal other cells.
Right, so the body is kind of working, in tandem with getting itself back on track. So stem cells, what are they? What is the function of a stem cell?
So in the beginning, our stem cells form all of our tissues, organs, blood, and the immune system. But after they form a complete human baby, they act as the internal repair mechanism, and that's how we naturally heal, is we mobilize stem cells when we have any sort of injury, for internal injury, external injury, or disease. The stem cells are what naturally heals our bodies.
Yeah, and you were sharing with me that you use young stem cells. That's important, right? It's better to have younger stem cells?
Absolutely. Everybody knows when you're younger, you hurt yourself, you have a cut on your arm, you heal much faster. So we try to use the youngest stem cells because those are the most robust human stem cells on the planet.
All right, so let's look at a graphic to kind of break that down for you. So what do you mean by the age of stem cells matters?
So in this graph, you can see self-renewal of a placenta or cord stem cell is about 2 million times. And in a teenager, a stem cell can self-renew about 200,000 times. A 40-year-old is about 1,000 times, and an 80-year-old is approximately 4 times. So it's a steep drop-off as far as the actual healing properties of a stem cell. And if you actually grow them out, in 1 month, a single stem cell from a placenta or cord blood source will be about 1 billion cells, and a 35-year-old is about 32,000 cells, and a 65-year-old is about 200 cells.
So the older we get, the cells are just not rebounding the way we want them to. And here, I'm pushing 50 years old, so I definitely want you to put a 12-year-old or a 15-year-old stem cell in my body. Are you saying I'm going to feel younger?
Well, we can even do better than that. We can do from a newborn source or perinatal source coming from placenta, cord blood. But really, the cord blood is the safest and best way to do stem cells if you're going to do stem cells and try to mimic that natural mobilization.
Okay.
So like I said before, when we have an injury or illness, our body normally, or naturally I should say, it mobilizes the stem cells through the circulation, through the blood, and we can mimic that by actually doing an IV of stem cells and giving you those young stem cells from the source of the actual cord blood. So it's just the same thing. That's why it's so safe, is we're going to go from a blood source from a newborn to your actual circulatory system or blood system.
All right, and that can treat a number of ailments. You said you treat a number of things, right? Well, not treat, I'm not going to use that term treat, but
Right.
you help people heal from a number of different things.
Right. When we create the microenvironment of the proper nutrition, vitamins, minerals, and then also having the right amount or the youngest robust stem cells available that are normally in the circulation, and they mobilize, and they are attracted to problem or distress cells. They're attracted to the cells that have the most distress signals that they secrete. And that's what's so nice about it, is when you do an IV, they're going to go typically where you need them most.
All right, fascinating. We could talk all day. Thank you so much, Dr. Haggard. We appreciate you. If you want to know if stem cell therapy is right for you, call Stem Spa now. And if you mention Sonoran Living, you will get a free consultation and $500 off of a stem cell IV. This offer does expire on 6/31/19, so please be mindful of that. So call now, 480-935-2838. That number, 480-935-2838. Here's where they're located. They are at 10401 East McDowell Mountain Ranch Road, Suite 100 in Scottsdale. Give them a call, 480-935-2836 or 38-2838, or go to stemspa.com.